Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm back with another video and we are going to be talking about Redbubble stickers. So I want to make a Kawaii Redbubble sticker and I just want to make a funny animal sticker. You know, maybe put some bows or some shoes or heels or something on an animal. So we are going to do that. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So when you go on Redbubble, they do kind of show like your recent searches, and then they show trending. I think Being Your Husband Is Enough, Berrywood Bobblehead, and Open Arms. So we want to just type in Kawaii designs, and I feel like whatever like comes up first is probably like the most, the most popular design. So I love like this little peachy art sticker, so cute. And then the little cows, there's sloths. So let's see, let's look up milk Kawaii stuff and let's see what happens. So there's different, Japanese looking stuff with like boba. There's a cow there, almond milk. So let's see if we can do something kind of with like milk or something like that. So I'm in Canva, and I'm gonna go to Elements and I'm just gonna type in the word milk and there's nothing. So let's look at the photos and let's see. So there's like a picture with milk, not like any cartoony stuff. So let's go back to Elements and let's do cow. Well, you know what? Let's do cheese because that's in the dairy family. Let's see if I can find a block of cheese that I want to see. Like this is what I'm going for right here. Okay. So this looks like a potential block of cheese that we can do something with. And look, it already has a face, really. That's exactly what it looks like. It looks like it already has a face. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Looks like he's chilling. So let's find him some arms. My cheese, I'm black, so my cheese gotta be black. So let's see if we have another black arm. Okay. So we got another arm over here. That one looks skinny. I mean, that looks like a fat arm. So let's try to change it up. Let's use this one. Let's see what happens. Gonna put him in the back. I'll leave him right there. And do we have some legs for him? Yeah. Oh, we got some legs for him. Okay. So he looked like he doing a lean back, lean back, lean back. Say, don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. So he have his arms, he leaning back, he like, hey, oh. Now we need a mouth. So we got some, but let's see. What is he up to? Is he talking? What he up to? I feel like he needs cheesier, like a funnier mouth or something. He really need a grill. No, that doesn't match. I wonder if we could find one with just like a line. That's just like some side teeth. Like he's smirking. That might work. Oh, here's the line with like the one tooth. Hilarious. I like the little side smile though, like the little smirk. I think that'll work. Does he need a hat? Mm-mm. And I'm quiet because I'm designing. This is just me in my zone. Because he needed glasses. Ooh, look at my cheese. He is too cool. So there's like a kawaii cheese design. So we're gonna go back over to Redbubble and see if we have any cheese kawaii designs. 2009. None as cool as my black cheese. You know, he real street. He from the hood. He bout that life. Okay, so yeah, like I said, if I could find a grill, I would put a grill on him. And if they had, I mean, I'm sure they probably got some Jordans. Let's see. Let's see. Let's look up sneakers. Let's see. I mean, they probably don't got no, like, they got some Converse. They got some Reeboks. Some Jordans. So, you know, they got a little something, something. Look at these banana shoes. See, he would even be like even cooler with like some little banana shoes. They would fit his foot. So like you can really jazz these up and like make them into your way. Now that doesn't fit, but you know, you get the idea of just playing around with it. Look at those J's. Look at that. Flip. Let's see. See what my man can do. Well, they want to be J's, but look at that. I put them J's on him and he be out here. That is so funny, y'all. I love this. I love this. So you can really go so many ways with this. Sorry about the mic, guys. But that's the first one. And let's see. I know this is super broad, dog stickers. Oh, Pitbull. Let's look. Pitbull dog stickers. See what they have. Okay, so let's look. I'm gonna just add a page. Let's see if we can find a Pitbull, a picture of a Pitbull. Aww, he looks so cute. So we're gonna, I think I'm gonna leave this background maybe. Can I? Is it big enough to leave? Maybe we just use Pitbull's head. Probably can't. So let's take the background off. Gonna remove the background for the Pitbully. And we're gonna give him a party hat because it's his birthday. I just kind of want that much. And we're gonna find a party hat. So party hat. And let's find some text. Just gonna look and see which one I like. Just gonna say, gonna ungroup, delete that one. Can I change the color? Oh yes, I can change the color on the hat. So I want to do like some blues. So can we get a navy blue in there? Let's see. Okay, so you get a little hat. And we're gonna get some colors here. Gonna get on this effect and change that color. And then we can change this color to black. And then we put happy birthday, you old bully. And we'll put it off to the side because we're going to copy this. Gonna move it over here. Gonna group that. Then we're gonna bring the words in right here. And you can make this as a dope little sticker on Redbubble. Just super cute for anyone with like a bulldog, a pit bull. But I think that's cute. Something that I came up with within a few seconds. So, so just like that, let's look up pit bull stickers, but let's look up happy birthday. And there's like 1738. Oh, okay, 1700. So, but there's another one with a party hat on. But none that's like says happy birthday. So that would be a real cute one, like to add with the pit bull. I will find you and lick you. So yeah, so you can add something like that with the happy birthday on there. So you can give to somebody as a sticker. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Redbubble sticker video. We did a little unique puppy one, we did a funny kawaii one, and you guys can just do so many different things. You can hand draw, you can do hand lettering, so many options to create lots of stickers on Redbubble. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.